Welcome to GRC Access Control Interview Questions. Question is, what is user level simulation? So user level risk simulation, it comes under ARA, that is Access Risk Analysis module of GRC Access Control. If role is going to be added in existing role which is assigned to users, and if there is any risk coming by adding that new role to the existing role, then that is known as user level simulation. In this, suppose one extra role is to be assigned to an user who is having already a number of roles, and that additional role is creating risk, so that is known as user level simulation. Similarly, what is role level simulation? So addition of additional T code to the existing T code in a role, if that is causing an issue or risk, that is known as role level simulation. So user level simulation is coming by adding additional role to the existing role which is assigned to the user, and role level simulation is adding a T code to the existing T code inside a role. So that is known as role level simulation. Now next question is how to create organization. So go to the NWBC setup and organization hyperlink, click on create, and then name the root organization and child organization, so that organization will be created, and it will be helpful in risk mitigation and organization you will find in shared master data in SPRO. Okay, so next question is NWBC setup access owner access controller. So this is like, go to the NWBC, go to the setup, go to the access owner, and then access control owner. Here you will be assigning like mitigation approver, mitigation monitor. So all kind of access owner need to be assigned by using this path. So this path is about that. Next is NWBC. This is the flow. NWBC, go to the setup, go to the mitigation controls, and then create. Okay, and in mitigation control, what is required? There is a owner tab. In owner tab you can maintain mitigation approver and mitigation controller. So mitigation part is to be followed by this path which is shown here. Like you have to create mitigation approver and controller in SU01, and you will be providing approval role to the approver and monitor role, owner role to the controller here. So this is how you can maintain like mitigation approver and mitigation controller. Now question is how to assign mitigation control ID to user. Okay, so here access management, and then go to the mitigated user, and then click on assign, add the user or role that need to be mitigated. So here one crucial question is how to mitigate, how to do the mitigation, or how to assign mitigation control ID to user. So this is the path. Once again I am saying path is access management, mitigated user, assign, and add the user or role that need to be mitigated. Okay, so how to assign multiple user to mitigation control. Question is how to assign multiple user to mitigation control. So it can be accomplished by a program T code, that is SE38, and GRSC download mitigation assignment and upload mitigation assignment to do for multiple mitigation control. Okay, so here generic question is, what is mitigation? Mitigation is if you are going to allow the risk under control ID, under some mitigation approver and mitigation monitor, then that is known as mitigation. And what about remediation? Remediation is basically removal of risk. So hope this will help you. Thank you.